guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Jaisha and today we are going to be doing a little wash and go. So today I'm back to doing a wash and go, and I'm actually trying a new product. And I say actually because it's been a while since I have tried anything new on my hair. I've really just been sticking to like my favorites, my tried and true products that I know that I love and that I know give me the best results. So it's not even anything brand new that just came out. It is super old, super basic. It's just new to me. I've never tried this product, and I'm sure I can almost guarantee that most of you watching have probably already used this product. Wetline. It's the Welting Xtreme Gel. Now, like I said, super old, super basic. I've actually never used Welting, so we're gonna try it out today. So for my leave-in, like I said, tried and true, sticking to the favorites. Kinky curly, not today. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner ever. It pairs so well with so many different stylers that I've tried it with in the past, and it's also really good for detangling, and it's super moisturizing. It doesn't leave any like residue on your hair. If you've never tried it, I definitely recommend. So I have always just kind of put Welting gel in the same I figured it was the exact same thing as Eco Styler, to be honest. I guess from what I saw other people use it, I don't know, in terms of the product ingredients, the price point, the results, I just figured it was the same as Eco Styler. And I mean, I love Eco Styler. Eco Styler is that girl. Like, I always have a bottle on hand, a jar I should say. So I just kind of always put them in the same, and I'm like, if I tried Eco Styler, like, this is not going to be any different. But I don't know. I just decided to try Welting and see if there actually is a difference, because there's some people that really do swear by it, just like I swear by Eco Styler. So I'm curious to see if it's better, if it's the same, if I would be repurchasing. I just got a trim, so I'm just trying to like look at where my hair is falling. All right, this is one small section, and I know that looks super straight, but that's actually a good sign for me. Let's keep going. It's been a while since I've done a wash and go. I was kind of giving my hair a break from just doing it, period, and giving myself a break from doing my hair because we just have not been seeing eye to eye lately. So I've been trying new things and trying to leave her alone, give her a break. So this is gonna be my first wash and go in a while. So and I just got a trim, like I said, so I'm excited to see what she's looking like and how this Welting gel does. Ooh, I see no frizz. This is what I'm talking about. I see no frizz. So the reason that I say it's kind of good, or at least why am I talking while I'm spraying as if you could hear? So the reason that I said I like it when my hair looks almost straight after applying a product is that's because it's elongating the curl. It's like stretching it out. At least that's been my experience. So products that look wet, see, like that? Products that leave your hair looking straight, like when you first apply it wet, like when your hair shrinks up, the curls look so good. At least I'm gonna speak for me and my hair. That's all I could do. And you can kind of already see that first section that I did, it's starting to shrink up and curl. And you can see that there's just no frizz. No frizz. I think it's gonna be good. This is making me very hopeful, and I'm glad because I just been struggling with the wash and goes lately. Alright, quick little recap. If you have not seen my past few videos, I was talking about my struggles that I've been having with my hair, and pretty much just my hair wasn't really, which is why I say we have not been seeing eye to eye. My hair has been like, it just hasn't been able to hold a style. It hasn't lasted. Every time I do a wash and go, it would last me like 2 days and then be super frizzy and a mess, and it was the most annoying thing. So that's why I was trying to give her a break. That's why I've been super frustrated. And this is looking kind of promising, actually. Now, there might be some crunch, but I like crunch. To me, I think the crunch is good because it means my wash and go is going to last longer. So yeah, all these struggles with my hair, it's just been getting me tight. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm gonna like show you the whole week. I'll come back on here daily to show you guys how my wash and go is doing, to see how it lasts. I'll let you know about like if I do any maintenance or have to refresh it, and hopefully I can make it a week or like, I don't know, at least 5-6 days. But it would be great if my hair could go back to doing what it's supposed to do. So I've been trying to be better about keeping up with trimming my hair regularly. So this year I've already gone twice, and it was like I think 4 months in between time from the last time I trimmed my hair until now. And previously I would go like a year, 6 months. You know, when you have dead ends, like your hair just doesn't want to cooperate. It looks really shabby and weird and fuzzy. I don't know. But let's hope this trim was the answer to my problems. I got a silk press because it was my birthday. I wanted to do something different anyway. I got a silk press on Thursday. By Saturday, my hair was in a bun. I have like never had a silk press less than like 2 weeks. So wait, did the trim help then? What are we talking about here? And you know, once the bun comes out, it's staying. Like, you're not gonna go back to straight hair or to a wash and go. It's gonna be in a bun until you wash your hair again. I was so sad. I did the big curls. I was going to brunch. Soon as I stepped outside, and within an hour, less than an hour, my hair was a big frizzy poof ball. I was so mad. I was mad because now I'm like, dang, I can't even get a silk press to last. What is going on? I thought about going back to being a straight hair natural. Now look, I used to put a lot of heat on my hair, and I mean a lot of heat, and on a regular basis, and direct heat at that. Like, I did not care. Where was I going with this? I mean, and I don't mind big chopping again. I don't mind starting fresh. Where was I going with this? I started telling this story for a reason. Oh yeah, I'm thinking about, I thought about going back to being a straight hair natural. Like, so now with me being tired of this nonsense with my wash and goes, I was like, dang, maybe I should just go back to straightening my hair. But I really don't want the damage. I wish there was a way to get like that we can go back and forth without the risk of heat damage. If you guys have any suggestions on, well, let's see how this wash and go turns out first. Okay, now you see these front pieces that are straight. The side, this is curly, and then you have like that one. I think somebody damaged my hair, and it wasn't the silk press that I just got with the trim. I think it was the one prior to that, which was maybe 5 months ago. I can just tell from this right here that the outcome is going to be, it's probably going to be good. So I'm going to go sit under my hooded dryer, let it set and dry, and then I'll be back. Okay, I lied. It's actually the next day, and I was supposed to come back and show you my results after my hair dried, but I just went to sleep. So when my hair first dries, it's usually kind of flat anyways. So what I did was I just put in a pineapple to stretch it a little bit, put my bonnet on, and day 1, day 2, my hair gets bigger and better, but I just wanted to show the results. And I think this gel did really well as far as defining my hair. The curls look really good. It's a little bit crunchy, but again, I don't mind that. So this is day 1 hair, and here are like the front pieces that I mentioned that I think got a little bit damaged, which I am pretty upset about. See, I feel like for some reason I feel like ever since I took those box braids out, it feels like I have less hair, if that makes sense. And it could be in my head, but I just feel like I just feel like there's not as much hair on my head. And I don't know if if I'm bugging or is that a thing? I just feel like there's less hair. Is that a thing? I'll come back and show the rest of how this wash and go progresses throughout the days and the week and see how long it lasts. Day 2, and this is how we are looking. I still really like my results. Like I said, my hair is a little bit bigger. It has a little bit more volume than yesterday, but the curls are still super defined. There's no crunch to it anymore. It still, you know, has body and is moving. And just, yeah, doing its thing. I like it. Day 2 and day 3 is usually my favorites. That's when I feel like it looks the best. I've heard good things about wet line, so I was expecting like good results, but I'm still really impressed. I'll see you for day 3. Okay, so it's day 4 and I am still really impressed with this Welting Xtreme Gel. My hair is soft. It is still very defined. Dare I say, this might be a little bit better than Eco Styler. Like, the girls were not lying about this Welting Xtreme Gel. Clearly, my hair wants to embarrass me because I've been on here talking about how she's not being cooperative and my wash and goes are not lasting, and now look at me thriving on day 4, making me look like a liar. Obviously, I mean, there's a little bit of frizz up here at the top. That's expected. Down here a little bit is starting to get a little bit fuzzy, but really nothing crazy. I also don't know if maybe I'm just having like shiny object syndrome, or because it's the new thing, because I probably felt like this when I first tried Eco Styler too. Maybe my hair is just tired of me using the same products on it all the time. Maybe it just wanted something different, and that's why this Welting Gel works so well. But I'm gonna keep using it like on my next wash and go and see if it lasts, and I will see you on day 5. Day 5, and we are still rocking this wash and go, and the curls are still super defined and look pretty good. And I have not even refreshed my hair since I washed it. I haven't put any more product on it, no gel, no oil, nothing like that. I just put my bonnet on at night and fluff it out in the morning. And I'm sure if I did reapply either the gel or like some oil or mousse or something, I could probably stretch this wash and go even longer. But I usually rewash every 6 or 7 days anyway, so I'm just gonna rewash it probably tomorrow. We have made it to day 6. Let me show you what my hair is looking like. Not terrible, but it's definitely time to rewash. Like I said, I know I could refresh this and get a few more days out of it, but I don't care to refresh my hair. I would rather just wash it and start all over again. So I also forgot to mention there's not even any flaking with this gel. I really like that my hair is not like tangled. Usually the back of my hair gets pretty like, alright, lied. Usually the back of my hair gets pretty like knotted up and tangled by the end of the week, and I don't feel that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for rocking with me this week and coming along to see how my wash and go progressed. I hope you found it helpful. If you did or you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me, and I will catch you in my next one.